Jenny. I'm going to do a very quick little demonstration to show how I'm going to stencil a little gift bag for my daughter for her first day of school. I bought this like super easy. You buy the bracelet or you buy the band and you buy the different sort of placards or charms or whatever it is you're going to put on them. You attach them and that's it. And it is so cute. And I mean, I think it was on sale maybe $7. And I mean, how cute is that? And I thought it would be a good thing to give her for her first day, to give her a little reminder of us thinking about her. So I wanted to put it in a little special gift bag to put it in her backpack. I had these left over from a shower. It's a little burlap bag, but it's got a little gold tinge to it. So I grabbed this, the antique gold modeling paste, and one of the new stencils that kind of, it looks a little Christmassy to me. It could potentially be poinsettias or something. But I like the polka dots because it kind of reminded me of the sort of pattern in this. And I thought it would look good over part of this. So I'm literally just going to stencil a quick piece of this across here, let it dry, and then pop the bracelet in it. So I just thought I would show you quickly what it was going to look like. I'm going to try and keep the stencil below the line that that would be the drawstring, just to keep it from getting crunched or anything else like that. And it kind of keeps that one flower sort of on the whole piece. So I've got a little palette knife and this gorgeous icing. I just baked a cake for my husband for his birthday, and I swear this is just like the icing that I bought from Betty Crocker. So I'm going to just hold this down, spread a pretty thin layer over it. I don't want it to take too long to dry, and I don't want it to be too thick because I don't want it to crack on her. I mean, maybe she'll use it for something else, maybe not, but I wanted to get just a pretty thin coating on it. Plus it's already got the little metallic sheen from the gold on it, so I just wanted to add another little layer of something to just to personalize it and dress it up a bit. I may do one on the back, I'm not sure, but I'll just show this one to you. Oh, love the way that looks. And that kind of, you know, lifted over there a little bit, but that's okay. So, there you go. I'll take a picture of it when it's dry, but I think it'll be lovely. And, you know, I probably should have put a piece of paper on the inside between that, but I'm going to do that now. Just going to slip this little piece of scrap paper inside so that it has something to dry on. It doesn't transfer to the other side, and we'll be good. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Here is the still, the final product, and a couple other videos that you can click on, and a subscribe button. Goodbye.